Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the core parts and why each matters. Aluminum provides the frame for durability, glass is the screen, and circuit boards power functions. Once you have those counts, open your Workbench Tier 2 and slot materials into input grids. Make sure to equip the soldering iron and power pack. These enable the assembly minigame. You'll also reserve a clean inventory slot to avoid dropped items. Begin the schematic sequence now to trigger the build timer and avoid interruptions. You proceed by placing the frame, then the glass, then the motherboard and battery in that order. This ordering prevents misalignment and ensures connections auto-route. During the 3 soldering minigames, steady clicks and patience raise the durability stat, rushed inputs drop it. Once soldering finishes, connect the power pack to run a boot test. This reveals firmware errors early. If prompted, adjust connector alignments and resolder weak joints. After a successful boot, prepare for final casing and software flash. You finish by fastening the back casing and tightening the 4 screws evenly to avoid screen warp. Even torque preserves touchscreen sensitivity. Next, connect USB and flash the stable V1.0 firmware image. This step configures drivers and sensors. Once flashing completes, run the calibration routine for touch and gyroscope. If the device won't boot, first inspect solder joints for cold spots and ensure battery reads correct voltage. If still failing, revert to the previous save and repeat the soldering minigame with slower inputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.